As part of Sunbelt Rentals Schools Engagement Programme, we're working with Capital City Academy today. The purpose of today is really to demystify some of the roles that we have within our industry.
And it would be really good for the children today to be able to see what Sunbelt do and the opportunities for careers for their futures as well.
It's important for our children to understand the opportunities Sunbelt has to offer working on major projects like HS2, engaging with our specialist divisions at this early stage of their career journey.
We've had a great day so far here at Sunbelt Rentals. The students are thoroughly enjoying themselves. They're finding out loads and loads about the company. It's extremely important for our students to have interactions like this so that they can go forward and make decisions about their future and know what exactly it is that builds a company, what makes a company. So thank you very much.